What's up guys, it's Zach here with FULLZENDCO.com. We recently introduced our brand new heel plates for many different makes and models, and today we're going to show you how they look and how to install them into your car. Let's go. So first things first, let's get these out of the wrapper and into the car. We're going to mark exactly where our roll cage is, and if you don't have a roll cage, you can skip this step. Alright guys, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to set it in place as best as you can. If you have a cage, obviously you're going to have to do some trimming for the support of the cage that the cage sits on. And if you don't have a cage, it should just fit right in place. But as you can see, mine's not lining up because I have a cage here. So I'm just going to mark around the foot of this cage, trim it, and set it back in. So all I did was took some measurements this way, and again over here, and tried my best to center everything up and square everything up. Then I took a Sharpie and put my marks right there where the support of my cage sits. Now all we're going to do is take it out, finish drawing out that line, and then trim it. All right guys, I've got my marks drawn here, and all I'm going to do is cut along the outside of this black line right here, and then we'll install it. I've got my eye protection on, my ear protection, and a grinder. Now I'm going to switch from my cutting disc to a flat disc so we can sand off all the sharp edges. So now you can see it's fitting a lot better. Everything's fitting exactly where it should be. Now we can go ahead and drill out these little pilot holes so that we know exactly what hardware we're going to use and where the holes are going to go. Now the company that makes these for me, which is just right down the road here in Tennessee, they do supply some rivets. But me personally, I want mine to be removable. So I'm going to use this 10mm black hardware and some nutserts. Now the holes that you drill into the heel plate itself, the drill bit should be ever so slightly bigger than the hardware itself. Now while we're here, we can go ahead and do the same thing to the passenger side as well as the dead pedal. But don't put your marks on your heel plate yet. Now we're back over here at the car. So we need to take our marks and transfer our marks from the heel plates to the floor pan. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is measure around and make sure that heel plate is square. So now that everything is square, I'm going to go ahead and take my marker here and transfer all of these marks to make sure that it lines up just right when we put in our nutserts. Alright guys, so now that we have our marks transferred from our heel plate to our floor pan, we're going to go ahead and check on the underside of the car and make sure we're not going to drill into anything important. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just undid these 3 plastic bolts that hold this stuff really close to the floor, and that way it should be out of the way for when I drill. Alright guys, I've got a headlamp on so I can see better, and I've got my drill bit ready. I'm going to go ahead and drill these holes. And I'm going to take a vacuum and just vacuum out all these metal shavings. So now is a good time to take a paint marker and go around each hole that you drilled. Now I'm going to go ahead and install my nutsert. This is the last one I got to do. So I went ahead and installed my nutserts on the heel plate. After, of course, I figured out where it was going to go. Now we can install the dead pedal to the heel plate. Now we can go ahead and take our heel plate assembly and set it in place for the last time. Now is where the time you would install your rivets or your hardware like me. Alright guys, here's how they look installed. Let me know what you think. If you want to get some for yourself, go ahead and click the link in my bio. We got them for many different makes and models. Alright guys, that is it for the install. Wasn't too bad. If you want to get some for yourself today, they're super high quality, super premium, super durable. Click the link in my bio, FULLZENDCO.com. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out fantastic. I'll see you in the next video.